Hello, welcome to an introduction to formulas in Flowfinity. The ability to perform calculations using formulas is a powerful tool that allows you to greatly expand the functionality of your applications. Formulas are defined declaratively in the app editor and can be used to calculate or set defaults for a wide variety of field and label values, as well as control parameters in views and conditionally skip logic based on formula calculation results. When assigning a formula to a field, you may reference other fields' data if they belong to one of the following types: address, date, datetime, email, input, money, numeric, read-only text, time, timespan, and URL. In formulas, you can include arithmetic operators, constants, field references, conditional operators, logical operators, comparisons, as well as call one or more of functions from the vast function library. In this introduction, we will write a simple formula to calculate monthly value change using arithmetic operators and field references. Open the Configure tab. For the purposes of this video, we will use a field measurement app, which was already created and has no fields. Customize the field measurement app, or select any other app on your site. Create two new numeric fields. The first one will be past month measurements, with field name property set to past month measurements, while the second one will be current month measurements, with field set to current month measurements. Create a new field, monthly increase, and make it a numeric type field. This field will show a monthly increase in energy consumption. Click the ABC sign at the right of the field type property and select Formula Calculation. Type in the following formula: current month measurements minus past month measurements. Note that in formulas, you should always use field name, not field label. Quick tip: press Ctrl and space to call an auto-completion list, which will allow you to quickly add field names or predefined Flowfinity functions in the formula. You can also start typing a field name or expression and then press Ctrl and space to autocomplete the exact field name or expression that you need. Click Save. Publish the app. Note how in each new record, your formula automatically calculates the monthly increase value. Okay, you've written your first formula. Consider the list of functions available when you press Ctrl and space and how you could use them to improve the functionality of your apps. In our next video, we'll take a deeper dive into formula usage and apply some practical use cases. Take care.